Do you own a construction business? If so, you probably want to grow your business. Instead of growing your team, spend more and more time on day-to-day activities. You get boredom by not knowing the status of the projects, information about the stages of running project, completion status, etc. NAVNirman is a comprehensive solution designed specially for the construction industry to help manage, grow and scale your business. Our construction management solution works completely integrated with common ERP like Microsoft Dynamics. NAVNirman gives you Microsoft Dynamics framework, real-time integration with complete NAV solution, construction project management, tender management, contract management, real-time operation visibility, single source of truth, business intelligence report. You can track your projects, clients and contractors on real time, along with cost tracking, accounting, payroll, and constructor cost. Simply upload and store your project information, schedule your workforce and access without hassle. You shall be notified when tasks done or overdue via email boxes with NAVNirman. Everyone in your company get their unique login detail and be signed to different sets of information. Prepare professional quotes for your clients and send to your clients with just one click. Agree on custom work, schedule and payment term with your clients. You can even accept payment online. Your data is securely stored and accessible 24/7. Anywhere in the world instantly. NAVNirman, a complete construction management solution.